kids. Today we will complete our lessons. In the last video we reached lesson 4. Today we will complete from lesson 5. Lesson 5 is talking about the number 5. Here is number 5 in digits and here is number 5 in letters. 5 in digits and 5 in letters. 5 in letters is F, I, V, E. Let's now count the tigers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also use the 5 frame which we talked about before to represent 5. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Circle the pictures that represent the number 5. We all know that one hand has 5 fingers. So this must be the picture that represents the number 5. The next question is, use 5 frame to represent number 5. The number 5 can be represented by 5 dots. Here is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We noticed that when I represent 5 in the 5 frame, all the cells are filled with dots. Now I want you to write 5 in digits and 5 in letters, F-I-V, E, 5 in digits and 5 in letters, F-I-V-E. Now let's complete lesson 5. Right? Now as a review, we will write from 1 to 5. 1 in digits, 1 in letters, O-N-E. 2 in digits, 2 in letters, T-W-O. 3 in digits, and 3 in letters, T-H-R-E-E. 4 in digits and 4 in letters, O-F-O-U-R. 5 in digits and 5 in letters, F-I-V-E. Now let's see what comes next. We have to match. Match. Now I want to match or join the number with a suitable number of objects. Let's see. 1, let's count. 1, 2, 3. Where is the 3? Yes, here is it. So I will now match the 3 objects with 3. Now let's see the next objects. 1, 2. So I will match it with the number 2. This is the second one. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will match it with 4. The last one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will match it with 5. Answer by numbers. How many fingers do we have in one hand? In one hand we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. We can write it in digits and we can write it in letters. How many legs do the cat have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The cat has 4 legs. We can write it in digits and we can write it in letters. This was lesson 5. Now we'll start in lesson 6. Count and write. Count and write. We will count and we want to write the number in digits and the number in letters. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we write it in digits first. Then we will write it in letter. 3, T, H, R, E, E. Let's see the next cell. 1, 2. So we will write 2 in digits and we will write it in letters. T, W, O. The last cell. Let's count just 1. 1 and we will write it in letters. O, N, E. Color. I want to color 4 apples in red. I want to color 4 apples in red. So I will put just shape in red. Here is 1, 2, 3, and 4. We want to make 2 apples in yellow. So we'll make 2 apples in yellow. Here is 1 and here is 2. Now I want to make 3 apples in green. So I will make 3 apples in green. One, 2, 3. Now we have 4 apples in red, 3 apples in green, and 2 apples in yellow. Let's continue. Color and write the missing numbers. I will write the missing numbers and let's see. 1, 2. What comes after 2? Can hear you say it? 3. Yes. 4. Then after 4 is 5. Yes, that's right. Let's complete. This is a very important thing to know, which we call the number line. It is a line which we put numbers on it to know what is smaller and what is larger by just looking at the number line. For example, I have the number on the number line from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can say with just looking that 2 is smaller than 3, and I can say that 4 is greater than 3 by just looking, because 2 is before 3 and the 4 is after 3. So I can say that 2 is less than 3, and I can say also that 1 is less than 3, and I can say that 4 is greater than 3, and that 5 is greater than 3, and also 5 is greater than 4. Complete the missing number. 1, 2, 3. Here comes 4. And 5. Let's see the next number line. 1, 2. After 2 is 3. After 3, 4. After 4, 5. The next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 5 is written. The next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. Let's see what comes next. Here, 2, I'm missing the 1. 3, after 3, 4, and 5. The last one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the next question, I want you to read and write. Here is the days of the week. Let's read them together. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and the last day of the week is Friday. We notice that every day of the week ends with the same three words, which is day. This will make it easy for us to memorize the days of the week. Let's see. This was the last question in lesson 6. Let's begin in lesson 7. Lesson 7 is talking about the zero. The zero number means to have nothing of the thing that you are counting. So the zero number is to have zero of something, means to have nothing of it. If I have zero money, that means that I have no money. If I have zero candies, that means that I don't have any candy. Let's see, how many elephants in the classroom? If you are sitting in a classroom, how many elephants will be in it? Of course, there will not be any elephant in the class, so I have zero elephant in the class. I can write it in letters, and also I can write it in digits. Now we will write 0 in digits and 0 in letters. Z-E-R-O. 0 in digit and 0 in letters. Z-E-R-O. 0 in digit and 0 in letters. Z-E-R-O. 0 in digit and 0 in letters. Z-E-R-O. Now I want to draw dots to represent the number is written, which is written underneath the rectangle. In the first one, we have 2, so we will represent 2. And 2. The next one is just 1. So I will represent it by just 1 dot. And here's 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's 0. Will I put any dot in it? No, because 0 means I have nothing. So I will not put anything in the rectangle. As a review, we want to write 0 in digits and 0 in letter. Z-E-R-O. 0 in digits, 1 in digits, and 1 in letters, O-N-E. 2 in digits, 2 in letters, T-W-O. 3 in digits, 3 in letters, T-H-R-E-E.